Hello, in this video I'm going to show you what to do if you have a problem with weak signal on your Samsung Galaxy A3. If you are having problems with weak signal, the first thing you should try is to turn on flight mode and then turn it back off again. This could refresh your connection, which could help with connection quality. Another thing you should try is to move to an area with better coverage. Being inside buildings can be a big issue when it comes to signal strength, as the walls of the building could be dampening the signal greatly. Another thing you could try is to simply contact the carrier to check for outages in your area. It could be that the cell tower that is supposed to be giving you access to services is simply out of order. Another option you may want to do is go into settings, scroll down to general management. In here tap on reset, then reset network settings. This will reset all of your connection settings, which might help fix up some issues, but it will forget all of your passwords, unpair you from all of your devices, and reset everything to the base state. Simply draw your pattern or input your password, then reset settings again, and now all of your network settings have been reset. If this still doesn't fix your issue, another thing you could also try is to simply restart your phone and tapping here restart. Then once your phone starts back up again, it might fix some issue. Now, if this video helped you, please consider subscribing, leave a like and a comment down below.